Okay, this is a 15-minute um, recorded video that I'm going to attempt to do to answer the 10 questions starting my migration of into the new system of TBC 009.net. All right, let me log first into my Cash back office. Okay, then I click on migration. I pretty much have, I know the paragraphs I've seen, I understand all this, so I'm going to just keep going here. I know that it says what determines the value of our coin. One, it is based on the supply and demand, or it has been traded on the open market. So we know that's not, because our coin is an abundance-based coin. It's not based on, it's based on as living men and women are more valuable than gold, and they agree to add their value to the value of our coin as it appreciates in value to each member joins our community. So it's this one. Correctly. I'm not going to read this because I read this before. Okay? Anyone that sees this need to read the whole thing and answer the questions correctly, because you can't get them wrong. If you get one there, go back and answer it again, get the right one. Are you allowed to transact with our coin at any price of your choosing? First one says no. Our coin is a part of a private community and you have to conduct all transactions at the published current price only. Or it says yes, you purchase the coin and it's your property and you to choose it and you use as you wish to whatever price you want. But we know that's not it. It's the first one. No. Correctly again. Okay. All refunds available if these coins become illegal within the country of his purchase. The first answer is yes. You can expect both admin of TBC and the members that sold you coins to refund all the money you spent on trading our coins. No, no, no. It's got to be no. If the buyer responsibility to know the laws of their country and 100% of the risk of purchasing something that later becomes unlawful is upon the buyer only. It's got to be no. Correct again. So these are easy for me because I'm a student of the blog. It is wise to challenge the powers that be. Now, see, we just had something about a blog about that, by becoming to be a private community that has chosen to go on its own way towards the idea of abundance. Yes, the only hope humanity has comes from spreading the truth and righteousness in spite of the evil nature of the world at large. Or no, we should just go along with the current system and everything will be fine for all of us. And we know we can't go with the current system of elite. Come on, you know it's got to be yes. Boom, correct. It is really possible to ever end poverty for all on earth. Okay, it's saying the first one says no. Only the foolish person would ever believe that ending poverty is ever possible. But come on, we know it's possible if we all work together in TBC. Yes, while the pain may seem to be too, while the plan may be seem to be too simple, clearly the sheer scope of the numbers involved in this plan to end poverty globally makes it more than possible. Yes. Correctly again. Can we do something about not starving to death as robots take over all of our jobs? No, the best way is to okay, it says first one says the best we can hope for is that our governments will take care of us all with some kind of living rage, as we don't die due to the lack of jobs robots will bring. TBC is the correct answer because it is better than a money system that is driven by people instead of the elite, and the community embraces food. But of course, we know it's abundance. It's got to be this one here. All right. Isn't it vital to my success within the TBC community to personally know the identity of the TBC admin? Come on, you know it's not. Do we know the person? Have we ever met Satoshi Nakamoto of who allegedly what we believe created Bitcoin? No, no one has ever seen him, never met him. So why should we know who our administrator is? Isn't it greed a good motivator for those of us in TBC to build a life of a life of true abundance? No, we don't. Greed is not a part of what we're trying to achieve here. Greed and scarcity, no. It's about a true abundance, love, prosperity, and abundance. No. Isn't my voice too small to make a difference in the overall success of TBC? Well, being a leader that I am, and also a live broadcaster that have already done 85 live broadcasts, of course my voice has an impact here. Come on now. We need you too to find a voice to stand up for your own freedom. Yes, you are only one person. How could what you say matter at all? Come on now. Number 9. Last question. Boom. See, I've answered everyone correct so far. All right. It shouldn't matter if I choose to express a negative opinion in public forum. I have the right to do so, correct? Incorrect. Your negativity expressed openly in public, such as on Facebook, not only jeopardizes your purchase of TBC coins and its value, but it brings harm to the entire TBC community. And the best place to share your negative opinion is to a TBC leader privately, so that it has the opportunity to become resolved for you and all. Then says correct. You can always be expected to withhold your desire to express negative opinions upon publicly about TBC, and you have no worries about the consequence of doing so. Congratulations. Boom. Answered all 10 correctly. All right. They said the next step after this, final step is go to that tbc00.net and register for a new wallet and enter your new wallet address below. Make sure which is showing my email is the email address that you registered, that you can find a match of your accounts. Make sure you write down all the passwords you registered with, and your password will be recoverable if you lose it. You can only migrate once. So if you are not ready to do so, submit. Okay, I see what it's saying. And it's showing my wallet balance here and all this. It said it would take place transfer. It would be transferred in 48 to 24 hours to migrate. Okay. So let's click here. Okay, let's put in my email, my current password. Hit register. Put my name, my email. my password. Okay, let me continue this. Sorry, I had to pause this video. Okay, let me put in my password. Robot. Okay, hit register. Save that. See what it's saying here. That's my favorite food. No. I mean, let's use my favorite movie. Well, we know what that is, Star Wars. Save. That's what save move again. Hit send. Boom. Okay, there. Boom. All right, now let's copy and paste this. Now you're not showing any coins, but that'll be there as maybe about a week from now, 5 or 6 days or so. I'm not worried about that right now. So let's copy and paste this. This is my new address. Copy. Go back to here. Just copy and paste it here and hit submit. Okay, it's processing. Just give it a minute. Okay, just give it a minute to register. It's taking a little while, so it just take for a little while to register here. It's taking a while. I don't have much time because this is a 15-minute video, but I did pause it as I stated earlier, but because I'm approaching 14 minutes, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna pause this video and see what it does so I don't use my time. Okay, let's copy and paste this again and go back here. What I essentially did, I logged back out and had to go through the questions again, and it got me back here. And so what I'll do, I'll copy and paste this here and see what happens this time because it may have timed out. All right. Okay, quest has been submitted. All right, so now it's complete. So that's now at this point it means that it's all in tech support hands because they were migrated all themselves. Were migrated all themselves. So this is a recording. Hopefully it was somewhat helpful. I know I had to go through a few steps. Hope y'all understand it. I will post this on my YouTube channel. Okay? Have a great day.